In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your WordPress website. There are instances you may want to have a fresh copy of WordPress on your website, but you don't want to install WordPress again. So there's a simple way you can reset your complete website so that you have a fresh installed website. So if you want to learn how to reset your WordPress website, keep watching. Hello guys, this is Swadik here at Dikupages Web, where I do web tutorials just like this one. So if you are new here, consider subscribing. So as I said in the introduction, I'm going to show you how to reset your WordPress website to a default. That said, let's get started. So as you can see, this is the layout of my current website. This is what I have. I have a hero section right here, about section, counter section, and then a social section. And I also have my menus right there, and I'm currently using the Cadence theme. So to reset my website, I'll go over to my dashboard, and looking at the menu at the left hand side, you see some of the plugins I've installed like WooCommerce, Elementor. I also have Envato Elements installed, and then Lightspeed Cache. There are other plugins which might not show here, so I can take you to plugins quickly so that we will have a look at the current plugins I have on my website. So these are the various plugins I have installed on my website currently. So to reset my website, I'll click on Add New Plugin. So under Search Plugins, I enter WP Reset. So this is the plugin I'm going to use to reset my website, and as you can see, it has over 300,000 plus active installations. So I click on Install Now. It is installed. I activate. I dismiss this. So this is it right here. So next I go over to Tools, then I click on WP Reset. The plugin has a pro version, but we don't need that for this particular tutorial. I scroll down. Now Site Reset, you have the option to reactivate current theme, that is the Cadence theme. So if I check here, meaning after the reset, I'll still have my Cadence theme activated. I don't want to do that. I just want to have a complete reset. And then after the reset, the WP Reset plugin should also be activated, and defaultly it is checked. Now after the reset, you have the opportunity to reactivate all currently active plugins. I don't want to do that. I just want to have a complete reset. So I can also uncheck this, because after the reset, I don't want the WP Reset plugin to be activated. So in here, I type reset. Then I click on reset site. Are you sure you want to reset the site? I'm sure I want to do that. I'll click on reset WordPress. Resetting is in progress. So you patiently have to wait depending upon the speed of your internet and the amount of plugins or themes you have installed. And now everything is set. As you can see here, we don't have WooCommerce, Elementor, Envato Elements, and the rest. Now let's go to plugins. So these are the various plugins I have which were activated. Now they are all deactivated. I can go ahead, select them, go to board actions, delete, apply, okay. So everything will be deleted. So if I still want to have more fresh website, this is what I'll do. I'll delete all plugins. Now let me go to appearance, and these are the various themes I have installed. Remember, this is the Cadence theme. I also previously installed the Ocean WP theme, and 2021, 2019, and 2020 are the default WordPress themes. After the reset, the 2021 theme will now be activated automatically. So let me go over to the home page and refresh. You see the 2021 WordPress theme as my current theme. So this is it on how to reset your WordPress website so that you have a fresh website installed without going back to do a fresh installation of WordPress. I hope this video was helpful. If you found value, kindly hit the like button, subscribe, and also enable the notification bell so that each time I post a new video on this channel, you'll be the first to know. Keep watching and we will talk soon.